Welcome to the second video of your new course, which is website designing. So in the last video, we had a cover up of what all contents are there in this workspace of this particular dashboard of WordPress. And we had a review of our website where we looked into like what these kind of applications can be used in real life. Now that we have understood that, let's get into making a new website. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing how you can make this particular website from scratch. For any person who has no idea about website designing or website building, it shouldn't be a problem because we'll be starting from scratch. So I'll be explaining you and giving you the workaround on how you can make everything. And let's set an assumption and expectation from this video that you understand everything and you're able to make your own website for free. There are a couple of videos and several videos available in YouTube where they teach you how you can make a website. But however, in this video, I'm trying to make it crisp, and along with that, I'm trying to make it more not even more complex, not even more crispier, but however, it's a particular video where you understand how you can make a website. And I think you can really appreciate me for that help. So let's go back here. So let's start with post. So post is where you add in particular different images and different pictures or writings. It's a combination of all. So just let's click on add post or add new. So this should lead me to the particular page where let's give it some time. Yes, so we have a particular thing. And here you can see edit with Elementor. So what is Elementor? As I explained in the previous video, it's all about your plugins. So if anybody is watching this video for new, I would prefer you to go back and watch our previous video, which you can find top over here, and you'll be able to understand what we are going through now, because in that video I had explained various sessions in this particular website. So let me just go back here. And as I go back here, I told you that we have a thing called plugins. So in this plugin, I just go and I click on add new. So once I click on add new, it should take me to the plugin page. Yes, so I have 3 plugins installed currently. Let me just add one more plugin, which is called Elementor. So Elementor is something which we use for making customizations, which is your CSS and PHP or your HTML in your programming languages. So let me just click on upload plugin. Great. So it asks me if I want to choose a file. However, if you are having an .xar or if you're having a .zip file of this particular plugin download from any other websites, you may just click on choose file and you may just select your file from here and get it installed. However, as I'm not having it, let me just search for the plugin here. So I'll just type Elementor. Great. So this should show me all the related searches. Yes, the first plugin which you can see here in pink background, this is the one which you have to install. So I have installed it already, so that's why it shows me update now. However, as you can see here, install now, here there might be an option to come as install now, and you just click on install now and it should be installed into your workspace. Now, great. So once you have installed this plugin, let's go back to the post. Again, add new. This takes me to the page of post. And yes, and here, so what I do is, like, for example, I want to add a particular website where their website should have something called home, which is your first tab. So home, this is something I have added. Here you can add many other description to this home, what all images you want. What you just have to do is, like, you just have to go there, here you have to add on permanent link, and you can just add some link here or hyperlinks which you want it to happen, or you can just click on tags and you can add some tags here, or you can just click on feature image, set an image here, and you can download a particular image from a website and upload it here, so that that particular image will come on the home. So what I'm trying to tell here is that if you're having home on this particular website, I'm having different pictures here. Along with pictures, I'm having some text here, and text along with combination of image. So all this is done from here. So you just have to click on image, and this will lead, you can just image from this. And once you have selected the image, it will be coming here. However, here you can just type, and you just can add what description you want. So for example, let me write, hello, welcome to my homepage. Yes. So you can add in some description here, and here you can select it should be bold, or if it should, that the lining should be in the text alignment according to the design, or if you want to add any link, so that if you just click on the link and it redirects you to that particular YouTube video or YouTube page, like that. Or here you have three options where I want to like copy this particular thing, and I have to like duplicate the same text in the bottom, that I want to show it like, hello, welcome to my homepage here, and I want one more text down, that hello, welcome to my website. So I can just copy and paste it or duplicate it. So if I just click on duplicate, it'll be creating one more thing. So I just make some changes here, like welcome to my YouTube page. Yes. So this is how it works. So you can add everything. But however, if I publish this particular website, don't you think that it will look very absurd and it won't look good, right? Because it's just having home and some things you have added here, which is not giving you a complete look of what you're expecting it should to be, right? So that's the reason why we have installed this Elementor. So once you click on Elementor, once you have installed, you get an option here called Edit with Elementor. I just click on this option, and changes will not be saved. It's fine, leave. Then yes, it led me to this particular Elementor page where I can make any customizations to this particular website. So now you can see I have created one thing, which is hello, welcome to my homepage. Hello, welcome to my homepage. But however, it's not looking good. So let me just cancel it. And I have new here. So what I do is like I select new, and I select I need two tabs like this so that I can add in some images. And all I do is that I can just click on this hover 9 dots, and it gives me a different things, for example, like login page. And if I want, so however, these things, what you can see here is paid one. So if you are using it for free, however, these are the limited things you get here. So let's say that I want to add in one button here. I just drag and drop here. And let's say I just want one picture to be added to the right side, and I just drag and drop. So here I added the picture where it shows click here. I just click on this, and this still button where it stays. So here default and text is click here. So I want that this button should look like click my video. Click my video. Just type in here, and you just click on publish. So this will make the changes to the website. And now I want to add in a particular image here. So I just click here, it leads me here, and I just click on choose image. And let me just take a random image from here, some random image, which I'm not sure who this particular person is. So just have to click in here. So it added your image here. Along with your image, it added your button here. So you just click my video, and it welcomes you to that particular page or that video. And here I will added some person, the person who made this video, or however it can be. And I just click on publish. So this particular page is set. So this is just about like adding buttons and images. So how do you add different customization to this? For example, I just click on this folder icon here, and it should lead me to these particular templates here. So what I do is like, I want my website to look something like this, let's say. So here everything is pro here. So pro is something which you get upon paying. So free is something which you can use now. So I have different free things here. So let me just take this. So stories in photo. So let me just take low form. So I just want to make a particular website where I'm doing advertisement of my agency. So I just have to click on this insert. And it asks me import document settings. You can just click on yes. An error occurred, or you can just try insert with no. Error occurred. So I'll just show you with some of the pages which are already installed, but I'm not getting an option to install it now because like how this limit to install it. So once you click on a particular page, or let me just click on blocks. So blocks are something which you can add different things. For example, when a page is opening, you want to show that 404 error, that you tried to reach out to this page, but however there was an internet problem due to which you are not able to open it. So 404 error or something like this you can add. So let me just take something which is free. So let me just click on this. So this particular post will give you something like this, where you can add in an image, you can add in some about the company and add some description about your company. So let me just click on insert. Great. So I'm getting an error. However, you'll be able to do it when you are trying. But once you click on insert, and it will come to this particular page, and you can making the customizations here by adding in the picture. As I showed you, you can just go here. You can just click on image, and you can just drag and drop wherever you want, and you can edit the image. However, you have other things like button, which we discussed. We have heading. So heading is something like, let me just click here at this. So I just take in this particular text editor. So I want to add in some text here. So I just add in the text editor, and I just take this sample thing out, and let me just type welcome to my website. Hope you like it. Great. So I have typed this, but however, it is coming as normal text, which will not give much good appearance to your website. So what you do in this particular thing, you just have to select the entire text. Here you can see paragraph. You just have to go here and how you want to make it. For example, I just want this to be as a website where it gives me a particular heading called, hey, welcome to my website, hope you like it. So something like that. So I just click on heading 4. Depending upon what you are able to see here, different size and different font, you can just click whatever you want. I'll just click on heading 4. That should give some appearance like this. Or if I want to change it, I just click on heading 5. Oh, it's small. Or heading 6. It's very small. So let me just take heading 4 here. And I just want to make some customization. Like I just want to add in some bulletin points. So I just add some bulletin points here. Or if I want to remove it, I just remove it here. Or I just want this to be bold. So I just click on B and it's bold. Great. Now this is the only thing which you can make here. But how do you make some changes to this? Like I want different color for this particular text. I don't want it to be black. I want, as I can see, this particular website is having a background color which is light pink. I want this thing to be dark red. So how do we do this? Just click on style and you can see something called text color. Just click on here. Yes, so it gives you an option, different options of different colors. So what you can do is just drag this to this particular dark red. So yes, I want this to be in this particular color. Let it be this. And what I do is that I want to change the font. I don't like this font. So I just want to make it something new. And as it's a page for my agency, I want it to look something good that when a customer is opening this, my agency page, they should feel great. So I just click on here, pencil icon next to the typography. And you can see different size. So let me increase the size now. This size should be it. Oh, I don't want it down. Let me make it till here. Let me make it 62 so that it's making a good feel to my website. Now, to change the type of font you want, you just have to click on this family. So here, top family, you can see default. You can just click on this. Yes, it gives you different options. So let me just browse through different options here. Let me make it something which is looking very, very good. This is not good. Let me make it like this. No, this isn't good. Or let me just make it this way. Yes, it looks good. So you can just different fonts are there. I think lots of fonts are available here. You can just click on this, and once you have added all your text, all your images, you can just publish it. So before publishing, let me show you like how you can make other changes for this. For example, I just type that. Let me just go top. Okay, so I have selected my text color. So it is in red color within font. And I just want to add in some shadow. So I just click on text shadow and I just blur it. Great, it's looking really good now. So I can just select different options like horizontal or vertical. and it can just go to this advanced. So what does advanced do is that, for example, I just want to have some background color here. I don't want it to be same color of the website. So I just go to background here, and in the background I just click on normal. So normal is where you get a normal color, but however I want a mix of colors, so I just click on hover and I just click on here gradient. So it gives me different options. So one option is for one color and another is for secondary color. So let me just click on primary color and make it something which is dark red. Great. Let me choose on the secondary color and let me make it something like grayish. So this changes should give you a look like this. Or so if you click on this, so when it's a normal page, it'll be giving a normal text with your existing background color. But however, when you click on this particular thing, this particular color can be chosen. So here, this is just a sample. But however, when you're making a website, when you have a hands-on into this, you'll be having lots of idea on how you can make it. I have different things. Again, I have border. So let me just tell that I want to put in some border, and border type, I'll just put it as double. So it gives a double line here. So it's look very good. Like it shows that welcome to my website. And when you just click here, it shows different colors here, and it's separated in a border. So if you add another text into the bottom here, let me show you for example. Let me just type in one more post, and let me just type text editor here. And let me type, hi, how are you? Okay, so this particular thing is coming here, but it can be easily differentiated that this is a heading and this is a particular description, because the heading is separated within border line. So this is how it works. So once all these changes are done into your website, what you can do is that you can just click on publish, and this should be published into your website. So as you have purchased a domain and you have linked a domain to the website, when you click on publish, it should be published into your website, and when you just open your website and see, this should be updated. And this video was something which is informative for you. Please do like this particular video and gives it a thumbs up. Along with this, share this video so that everyone get to know about WordPress and they can learn new things. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you do not miss on any of the new update from us.